In the right angle triangle, in the figure above, we can see the right angle triangle. The length of the hypotenuse, a centimeter, this is the hypotenuse, a centimeter, is given by the formula a equals to b square root of b squared plus c squared. We have to find a. Find the value of a when b equals to 2.5 centimeter and c equals to 6 centimeter. The second part of the question, find the value of b when a equals to 16 and c squared equals to 60. Solution. Solution to the problem. Now we write out the formula. We have a equals to square root of b squared plus c squared. Now, from the a part, we have to find the value of a. We're given b to be equals to 2.5 centimeter. Now let's change 2.5 to an improper fraction. This is a mixed number. So an improper fraction is going to be what? 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 1, that is 5. So we have it as 5 over 2 centimeter. Then we also given c. What is c? c equals to what? 6 centimeter. We are now asked to find a. I'll put question mark. Now, to find the value of a will be equals to what? Square root of, now what is b? 5 over 2. Anywhere we see b, we put 5 over 2. Then we have square from here. This is b. So it will turn to 5 over 2. Then c. What is the value of c? 6 centimeter. Anywhere we see c, we put 6. So we have 6 square now. Now, a equals to square root of, these two we have fed each number at the numerator and at the denominator. 5 square. We have 5 square, then we have 2 square, plus, what is 6 square? 6 times 6, that is what? 36. Now, a equals to what? Square root of, what is 5 square? 5 times 5 is 25. So we have this to be 25. 2 square is what? 2 times 2, that is 4. Plus 36. We can write 36 as a fraction. So we have this to be 36 over 1. Now a equals to square root of, we now look for the LCM. What is the LCM of 4 and 1? LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. That is 1 times 4, which equals to 4. Now, 4 divided by 4, that is this 4 divided by this 4. What are we having? 1. So 1 times 25, we have 25. Now, plus this 4 divided by this 1 we have here at the denominator. 4 divided by 1 is 4. Then we need to multiply out. We now have here 36 times 4. 36 times 4. What is 36 times 4? 4 times 6. That is what? 24. We write 4 and carry 2. Then 4 times 3. What do we have? 12. 12 plus 2. That is 14. So it means that 36 times 4 is 144. So a will be equals to square root of 25 plus 144 divided by 4. Then we have this to be a equals to square root of, what is 25 plus 144? That is 169 divided by 4. Now, 169 is a perfect square. So the square root of 169 is 13. And 4 is also a perfect square. What is the square root of 4? 2. Now, our final answer will be in form of a mixed number. 13 divided by 2, that is 6. Because 6 times 2 is 12. Take away 12 from 13, we have 1 as the remainder. So this is 6 whole number 1 over 2 centimeter. That is the value of A. That is the solution to the first part of the question. Now let's solve the second part. Find the value of B when we're given A to be equals to what? 16. And we're also given C squared equals to 60. And we are asked to find the value of what? B. We have to find the value of B. Now we still have to write out the formula. A equals to what? Square root of B squared plus C squared. Now, what is the next thing to do? Anywhere we see A, we substitute A as what? 16. Equals to what? Square root of B squared plus, anywhere we see C squared, you can see we're given C squared. You have to be careful. We're given C squared. So anywhere you see C squared here, you replace C squared as 60. Now, you are having a square root, and the unknown that you want to look for is inside the square root. Now, what do you need to do? You are going to ensure that you remove the square root. How do you remove a square root in an equation? You square both sides to remove square root. So by squaring both sides, what do we have? 16 squared equals to B squared plus 60 squared. Now, 16 squared, that's 16 times 16, and that will give us what? 256 equals to, now this 2 will go with the square root, equals to B squared plus 60. Now, don't forget we are looking for B. So what do we need to do? We need to collect the like term at this stage. It means that we have to move this plus 60 to the left. What do we have? 256 minus 60. And this will be equals to B squared. What is 256 minus 60? That will give us 196 equals to B squared. Now, at this point, we want to find B squared. And your unknown is the base here. So what do you need to do to find B squared? When you have an unknown square equals to a value, and you want to find that unknown as a base, you take the square root of both sides. By taking the square root of both sides, equals to square root of B squared. You don't have to put plus or minus for this. Do you know why? Because dimension cannot be negative. You cannot have minus 2 centimeters in a real life situation. Hence, when you are taking square root of a number that has to do with dimension, you don't have to put minus. Because the value for only dimension only value for the positive numbers. Take note. Now, square root of 196, that will give us 14. Because 196 is a perfect square. 14 times 14 will give you 196. So square root of B squared is B. So B equals to 14. And what is the dimension? Centimeter. So it means that B, okay, from this part of question, we're asked to find B, and from what we have here, A equals to 16, C equals to 60, C squared equals to 60. We are not given dimension from here. So the value of what we are going to have here, B, will just be equals to 16, no dimension. Thank you. That is the solution to the problem.